Okay, next applicant. Makinis, maputi, maganda yung ngipin. Okay, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Scarlett, and I want to show the world, the universe rather, that I will confidently shake your fries with a heart. Bakit gusto mo magbenta ng fries? Thank you for that wonderful question. To be a tindera is both an honor and a responsibility. If I were to be a tindera, I will use my voice to influence the youth. Thank you. Okay, eto, mas mahirap na tanong. Ano mas masarap na flavor? Cheese o sour cream? If people were to argue between cheese and sour cream, well, everything is good, but in moderation. Thank you. Magaling! Pasok ka na sa top 10! The new Miss Potato Corner is Scarlett! Nasaan na yung 1 million na prize? Anong 1 million na prize? Magluluto ka ng fries. Pasok ka na sa trabaho. Magluto ka na ng dali.